Hey everyone, now good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the shine my YouTube channel be this. So what I want to talk this evening now about one news I come across for social media about one old man when some people can't help, and for this picture of the man we see where if I carry phone for here like say the man na officer before or he get good work before. So the man don old now well and he get stroke. He no get who go help am. And this man he get 7 children before. Whether na now we no know. But I say he get 7 children, and inside that 7 children no one dey take care of am. So now I gonna think am for my head say, how can person get 7 children and no one dey even care for am? But as I can't think am, I can't think am because I know say most of our dakime, the way they take dey live life, even though say they get 20 children, if they not take time, no of them go gree take care of them. No of them, because imagine the one wey most of our young men dey nowadays. They go carry this woman, they go deceive am, give am belle, go born, if they go run leave am. They go carry another woman, deceive am, give am belle, they go run leave am. They go carry another woman, give am belle, run leave am. No be only here for Europe, e dey happen for Africa, e dey happen for African American men. Some of these men, their work na to dey pregnate women up and down. If they don't do the pregnating finish, they no go gree take care of their responsibility. You, because you born, e no make you a father. E no guarantee you say because once you don born, those children they don't hold you something now. No. Now who born e take care of the children. Na him when he don't still dey hold, he still need children. The children will still come take care of am. Say you sit down get you no take care of your children, and especially the men I dey talk to. So you born, you no take care of the children, my dear, no expect say anybody will take care of you, because nobody hold you anything. Say you go meet Vivian, you give am belle, you go meet Joy, you give am belle, you know they take care of the children, you know they call them, you know they in their life, my dear, no automatically think say they'll come wake up, come they think of you, because life hard well now for one person to carry person into this world, come destroy am. No be the one way some of our parents do that time, when e be say they born follow everywhere, so no even know their children safe. Come abandon many of the children, some die for sea, some die for Libya road, some die for Morocco road. They're not ready to take care of their children. They will run follow another woman with excuse. Because you run follow another woman with excuse, e no mean say you no fit take care of your children if you really know wetin you dey do. But most of una dey use am as excuse, say I don't get another woman. But your past, if you not repair and lie, you dey waste your time. You go end up like this man when they wash him yansh, they feed, so they give am everything, so they give am medication. You go many daki, when time go reach, they go be like this man. They go be like this man. Many of all these our men when they live I don't care life, so they go jump from one woman enter another one, they go jump from one enter the other one, they go jump from here enter the other one. They burn up and down like say children want come out for fashion. They no dey take responsibility for the pikin wey dem born. They no dey call the children. They no dey do anything. They no dey send them money. They no dey care. They feel up consign like say e no consign them. Their mind be say when the harvest don ripe, they will come reap for where they for not sow. My dear men, that no dey work like that. Many women wanna dey run follow so. The men no even need anything from you apart from to take you take born. Some of all these women, they no even get love for their heart. They don't get joy for their heart. They no even send una. You just dey waste your time with your jump. At the end, where you jump go, you will still jump come for there. The one way you think say, e get your time, you see say e no even still get your time. Na where you want to take you born or waka still leave you comot. Because many of una, because of greediness, because of say una think say the grass dey green for the other side of the road, una don take una wife take do girlfriend finish. Na make am the thing dey hard almost all of una now. Una go follow this one, una go follow this one, una go follow this one, because una don miss am for front. The time when you suppose make una take compose una self, una don miss am. Una mind now say if una follow this one go carry una. Many of una at una old age now una take dey single. At the end, una come dey find one put una for house. That time, that bonla una dey carry the share up and down till they make shakara. That time now, the women no even need them again. That is why you as a man, you have to be responsible for your action. Not be all women you see who carry, you want marry, you want born, you want do this one, you want do that one all the time. Instead of you no say you get plenty children for ground, for you to go take responsibility of your children. Provide for them. Draw them near body. No, go take on the pursue women when they their own. At the end, you can't wait say because you get stroke, because you get one sickness, may that pikin come help you. You know what help you, my dear. You know what help you. Because you don't almost want to destroy the pikin life. You don't care when that pikin need you. You pretend like say it no concern you. But at the end now, who they come the sufferer now? Now good Samaritan come they rescue you because you get 7 children. Most of una no they care for the children. No concern una. But now go forget say tomorrow when the table will turn finish. A problem for everybody. That is why we have to be responsible. The men, they have to be responsible. The men, they need to be responsible. Now una dominate the society. Now una supposed to be responsible pass. Now not supposed to be responsible pass. All this bomb for everywhere. Bomb for here. You have to stop. They do fioko without no protection. You have to stop. They throw away children. Though as if say you not concern you later, you can't find money. All these children are modern children. They're not there for all those nonsense. If you betray them, you abandon them when they need you. When you need them, they're not the show face. So even people when be say they even take off their children, they see they throw away them. No talk of say you when they don't see for picture. You come fly, come out for nowhere. say make dis children come take you serious, na lie, dem no go take you serious. Men, una have to be more responsible, especially our men. Una have to be more responsible. All this born for every corner, e have to stop. E have to stop. Born for here, if you see this one, you want born for now. If you see this one, you want give am belle. If you see this one, you see this one hold €5, you want tell am say you want marry am. E have to stop. If not, you will end up like this man, wey be say na volunteer na e come dey help am, dey baff, dey do everything for am. When he get 7 children, who know wetin do all those children? When all of them suffer pack their leg run, because some men they no dey like to change their children. They go like to dey born with their last kobo, but to train their children na problem for them. If you do your children, say you born, you not take care of them, you no stand as a man, work hard to take care of children, no one will stand for you. No one. Our darky men, they have to stand up and be a man. Not be all this play up and down. You have to stop. And all these women where they bomb up and down, the man are hold on herself. Enough. A man have to wake up and take off his family, good or bad, I don't care. You have to. Na your responsibility. If not, you breed fake generation. So Mona take her like that this evening. Now that one I come talk when I see that video, it didn't touch me well. 7 children, nothing, but it not surprise me, because now so many men till they behave. They go spread their fruit everywhere. At the end, they no go even take my touch one of the fruit, because they don't plan well. They don't plan well at all. They live their life vida loca. Not consign. This one will come for them. At the end, now you consider, you go dey regret. All this useless like you go take until they scatter so many of children life. We will forget nice background, nice future. Now get to think well. Wanna they do something before now they do. Not be normal thing for person to get 7 children. You go to find one, give them water, you know, see. You don't get that the children who bad rich women, they're not going to remember their papa. But when you battle them, they will always want to replay you and give you back what you give them. So I think our men, they need to be a good ambassador to their children. So make us stop this video here. Bye everybody. Now the Shine Your YouTube channel with this, and love all of you. Bye.